Hey guys, how are you? It's been a little while since I've sat down and filmed a little video for my YouTube channel, so I figured this weekend I would take you guys along with me as a artist and small business owner who is going to do a night market. Me and my friends are going to be doing a Lunar Faire, which is a witchy and weird night festival. I've been a part of them for like 5 years now. It's a great event. I highly recommend to come check it out if you haven't been before. This one is a little bit of a drive. I'm from northern New Jersey, and we are going to be driving down to the southern point of New Jersey to Cape May. And I'm just gonna take you guys along and show you what it's like being an artist who travels around, sets up a booth, and sells her stuff. But right now, I'm going to meet up with my friend Nicoletta, who also owns Nick's Wicks. I highly recommend you check her out. She makes really awesome candles. This is her name, and you can find her on all social media platforms. And yeah, we're gonna meet up and drive down together, so I will see you guys soon. Okay, I have found Miss Nick's Wicks, and we are gonna go get some matcha and start our journey. We will see you in Cape May.
So excited!
No.
You want hot dog?
It is actually really cute, and there's like a little like vendor over there.
Yeah, of course. See, I take my caffeine very seriously.
Wow.
Yeah, I need to take pictures.
This is so cute.
This is amazing.
Okay, so we just made it to our place, and we have to figure out how to get in our Airbnb. This is cute, though.
It's adorable. Well, I think those stairs go up to our thing.
Probably.
So maybe the door's unlocked.
It's really cute.
It is really cute. It's very like calm.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we made it to the Airbnb, and we are actually staying above a brewery, which is really cool, and it's super cute. But for now, I am going to get changed into something cuter, and we're gonna go hang out outside. We met up with our good friend Kate, who does bug taxidermy, and she is also a part of the Lunar Faire, and then 2 of our other friends. So I will talk to you guys when I get back in downstairs. Okay guys, so now that we are all ready, I'm waiting for my friends, and we are gonna go to the Naughty Distillery. Basically today we're just gonna spend it hanging out, doing vacational things, and then tomorrow starts our work day. Kate, tell them what you're gonna do.
I'm gonna feed the chicken.
There's 2. Okay, so we stopped at this really cute little distillery. Me and Miss Nix Wicks got these soda drinks.
And we know hearts.
And Mattis Mortem. A gin mule. Cheers.
Delicious. Very cute. Love it here. The chickens were very fun. The vibes are very high.
Got to feed some chicks.
This is very fun.
So much fun. Little farm stand. Adorable.
10 out of 10.
And then we got dinner reservations at like 6:30, so we'll pop back in when we get there. We had time before our dinner res, so
totally
we
use
are
some coffee.
stopped at this really cute little
Kofafi.
town with all of the little stores.
take a
It's
pic.
super cute.
You guys want to take a pic with the bell or no?
Yeah, what's with the
What's
bell?
with the bell?
I don't know. We're going in front of the fountain.
Where they're like, ding, ding. This is Cape May.
Fountain is beautiful.
The fountain is beautiful. Kate, what'd you get?
Pumpkin spiced flat white with oat milk.
From Coffee Time.
Coffee time. Go with a Y.
What are we getting?
Some fudge, some milk chocolate peanuts,
Ooh.
and what is it? This is like chocolate bar with pretzels, popcorn, and cashew.
That sounds.
Ooh, that sounds
Chocolate's my candy.
Okay, now we're at our dinner spot. We're at Harry's. We're getting some good seafood and drinks.
They have a boo bar.
Okay, how are your oysters? Phenomenal.
a 30 and a dozen. How you done?
Phenomenal.
Okay guys, so we all are just starting to wake up now. It's around 8 o'clock. We ended last night with a dinner, and then we went for a walk on the beach at night and took some pictures. It was really cute. There were some fireworks. It was a good time. We just took an Uber and came back and played some board games together and all crashed out. We're still above the brewery. This is what my view looks like currently. Super fun and cute. We do have the Lunar Faire today. It's setup starts at 2 o'clock for us. The event runs from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. We have to pack up and come back to the Airbnb. We'll probably do lunch before we go there, so whatever we decide to do today, I will take you guys along on for the journey. We stopped at a really cute coffee shop. We all got our matchas. And we got some smoothies. And this delicious avocado toast. Where are we going after this? Do we know? We're just gonna go look through some cute little shops.
I'm so down for that.
Yeah.
Cute little shops and lunch.
Farm stands.
Sounds good to me. time is pretty much done. Now it's time to go to work. We are all meeting at the historic Cold Springs Village in Cape May to set up and sell our stuff. So I will cut to when I get there, and I'm like working on getting unpacked or unloaded, whatever you want to say. And I'll probably show you when I get there and when I'm set up, and not the process in between because it takes a while and I just don't feel like doing it. So we'll see you there. Okay, so we made it. My spot is number C8. It's only like a 4-minute drive, so I'm literally right down the road. I am right across from the Cold Spring Country Store, which is so cute. This little village is so freaking cute. I'm gonna unpack and then I'll take you guys for a little walk. But yeah, I'm going to set my booth up and I will see you guys in a minute. Okay, I just parked my car in the vendor parking lot, and I have to walk back over to my spot to get it all set up, but I figured I would try to do like a little walkthrough if I have enough hands. This place is actually really freaking cute and beautiful, and I'm excited to see what tonight brings. I am all set up, and I have a different setup than I would normally do, but I kind of like it, and it's a lot easier than carrying my giant displays that weigh like 60 pounds a piece. 3 hours for a car ride, so this is what we're rocking with. When you come into the booth, we got the rings, some of my jewelry display cases with some of the more expensive high-end stuff in them. And then just some gemstones and other jewelry pieces. So I know that we're probably gonna walk around and check out some of the other vendors and see our friends and see the little village. So when we do that, I will take you guys with us.
Clam Gardener.
What do we have?
From, I was going to make a joke, but I'm not going to. We have herbal teas. We have fire ciders. They're all made with regional plants. And we have 36 triple D titties.
Oh, hell yes. So tonight has been super successful and super fun. The vibes are super, super high, and it's just been a really good time. But I figured taking a little break and walking to the bathroom, I would show you guys a little bit about the Lunar Faire. Here's our amazing friend Allie. Say hi. We are starting to pack up. Miss Nick wakes us all of our candles away pretty much. It's been a super fun, successful night, and I am packing up and going back to the Airbnb, and tomorrow we will be driving home. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this chaotic video of whatever it ends up being, but I might vlog again tomorrow. If not, I will see you guys back at the studio, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!
Fantasy.